Hey, have you been trying to get more leads and generate more sales for your business? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook groups to get leads for free, and you're not going to have to pay a single penny to get those leads. So I'm going to show you how to actually find the right people using Facebook groups to add to your page. And then from there, I'm going to show you how to generate leads in a way that's kind of hands-free and works for you in the background with what you're already doing. So that way you don't have to spend a lot of time on Facebook, and it's going to happen for you automatically. So let's get into it. So first and foremost, let's find a Facebook group that we want to go to. So I'm going to go to a leads group, right? So here's how you actually find people to add to your page. You can actually look at people's posts and see the comments. Like this one has 83 comments, and you can look into here on these posts and see these people that are engaged. These are all people that I could add, but she got 41 friends, so I would probably add Amy. So I could do that, right? I could add Amy, and sometimes Facebook won't let you add people unless you're actually, connected to them. But you could go, down in comments, and you can actually, find out more about people and go and add them and talk to them about their business, right? So once you become friends with these people that are commenting about their business, you can actually talk to them. And this is just one example in this group. You could also go to here. This is the members, right? So you go to this portion right here, and it's going to list the members of this group. And this is a pretty big, group. It has 132,000 people. And then you go to the friends you have in common down here. So we're going to scroll down to the members with things in common, right? So then we go to this portion right here, and we could scroll down. We could go to see all, and it's going to show the people that you're not friends with. So you could go and you could look at these people. Like, I'm not friends with these people, so I could potentially add these people on my page, right? So I can scroll down, and I could do this with any kind of group. So once you add these people to your page, you're going to want to post good content, and then they're going to engage on your content. So that's just something you could do to be able to find people to add to your page. Once you add them to your page, it's very, very simple. We have a tool right here, and I could show you how to get your hands on this tool. It basically loads your Facebook friends, right? And then it will automatically send them out a message, and it will ask them if they're open to looking at the opportunity, right? So basically you use this tool, and then it's all generic, right? So it helps you to talk to more people that are added to your page, because if you have 5,000 friends like me, chances are you're not engaging with all your friends. And when you start engaging in the inbox with your friends, it's going to show your content to all those friends, all those people that you're not really talking to. It's going to start to show your post, right? And then they're going to see your post, and you're going to see their post, right? It's going to pop up in the newsfeed, and whoever you engage with most, that's the post that you're going to see the most, right? So you can use this tool right here, and it runs in the background on a Chrome browser. So you pretty much set it up, it loads your friends, and it will send them out messages. And I mean, as you can see right here, mine has sent out 89 messages of 1078, right? So it sends out 10 a day, and it will ask people if they're open to looking at the opportunity, right? A new opportunity. And it's totally generic, so you can use it to generate leads and connect with your Facebook friends. And it also helps you to start conversations with people, and it is a extension on the Chrome browser. So that's how this works. So it will happen in the background. If you have a Windows computer, then you're going to need to keep your computer on. But if you have a Mac, it will work for you even when your computer goes into sleep mode, kind of. It will have like a black screen. I know my Mac does. So it will have a black screen, and then it will still be sending it out in the background, right? So this way you're always connecting with people, and then you can have conversations with people as well. And then when people say they're open to looking at your opportunity, then you say, okay, what's the best email to send information over to? What's your best email to send information over to? right? So that's what you're going to want to ask people. And they're going to give you their email. And then we have this system right here. This page, it's already done for you. It's a turnkey residual income system that allows you to keep 80% of every dollar that comes back to you, right? So you keep 80% of the commission, and you're going to want to find this page by, clicking on the second link below this video. It's going to take you to this page. This is for real leads, so if anybody tries to put in a fake email, it won't let them into the system. So you have to put in a real email, and what this is going to do is this is going to validate every email that comes through the system. So this way you have a clean email list. Having a clean email list is very, very important, and we have validation software, so you don't have to pay for that. And every single lead that comes through this page is going to be validated for your email list, right? So you don't have to do anything more. You don't have to set up the page. You don't have to set up an autoresponder. You don't have to set up the emails. You don't have to do DKIM, SPF, and DMARC records. You don't have to do any of that. Whenever you use our system, you get access to the tool, and then you're able to actually go and use the tool as well, and you get access to this funnel system that validates your emails, right? So this is a really good funnel system because we actually made this turnkey, or done for you as they call it, right? So you don't have to worry about it, and all you have to do is worry about getting people onto your page through the Facebook groups using the methods that I've already shown you. And you get people onto your Facebook page, and then this is how you make sales. So this is a process that could work for you even while you're doing whatever you're doing. If you're working a job, it will work for you during the day while you're working at your job. It will allow you to do the follow-up if you put your contacts into here. We have a whole process whenever you get a lead, what to actually do with it. So you can actually look into the system by going to the second link in the description of this video and finding out more information about it. And we show you how to put systems together for your own businesses. We show you how to do the marketing for your own businesses. We show you how to write emails that serve and sell. We show you how to create video content. We show you how to rank that video content so you get your videos in the top of YouTube and potentially in Google, right? Because when your videos are in the top of the search, then you get traffic and people come to see your videos. That's why you're seeing my videos at the top of YouTube. So you want to get your videos ranking as well. And then you can actually generate leads that way, and they all go to an email list. And then you'll be able to build and grow that email list, right? So we show you the skill sets. We also show you how to connect with people on social media as well. So this way you could build a relationship with them, right? So that's pretty much how you use this system to be able to generate leads. And you could use our tool that will send out the follow for you, and it will generate traffic for you for free from Facebook. And if you also wanted to get other kind of traffic, I have my traffic store. You can come over here to profitbutterstraffic.com. This is for solo ad traffic for your offers. And why you should get traffic from me is because I make sure that the traffic that you get is highly targeted to the offers that you're promoting. I make sure that your capture page and sales copy are congruent. And I also want you to build a high quality list, and you need to make sure that your traffic sources are very high traffic sources, and you need to know where you're getting traffic from. When you get traffic from me, you get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Big PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic when you order traffic from me, and I help you with your whole setup. So I help you to set up your funnels and your offers, and I help you to manage them, and I help you to get the highest converting pages possible. So for my clients, I get as high as 85% opt-in rate with sales. So I've been able to help my clients get a very high opt-in rate because they are buying traffic. And when you are buying traffic, you want to make sure you get as many leads into your funnel as possible. And then I want to help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, because that's very important when you're getting any kind of paid traffic. A lot of people don't know how to do tracking the proper way. And so I help you to understand that, and I even help you to set it all up. And I want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer, right? So that's my whole goal. So how this actually works is in a 3-step process. Step 1 is you select a traffic package below on this page, and then we do a campaign review and a strategy call. You have the option to book it when you actually order a traffic package from me. And we go over different strategies you can use online to get results, and how to actually manage your list the right way, and things that will actually help you when you are getting traffic, right? So it's all about getting traffic. So if you're using free strategies are going to be your best quality traffic. Then your paid strategies are just a bonus on top of the free strategies that you're already doing, and it's going to help you to be able to get a lot of sales and be able to grow your business if you use both paid and free strategies, right? Step 3 is we launch your campaign after we have the strategy call and the campaign review. And then here's some of the results that people have got. Here's 200 clicks of traffic, 90% opt-in rate, and 3 sales. And there's plenty of other testimonials right here, so take a look at this for yourself. And you could select a traffic package right here. Here's 90% tier 1. Here's 100% tier 1. Just pick the one that works best for you. And then here's my guarantee to you down here. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. Then right here, here's your questions. If you have any questions, check right here. Chances are your questions are going to be right here. And if you have any questions that you want to send to me, you could send them right here. You can put your questions also under this video. I will answer all the questions that you leave in the comment section under the video. Also, you can reach out to me on Facebook. I have a free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. There's going to be a link for my free Facebook group below this video as well. Also, if you want to get traffic, the traffic store is going to be below this video also. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.